In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your first section with Wix Studio. To get started, open your site in the Wix Studio editor. This is where you will build and customize the structure of your page. Once you are inside the editor, look at any existing section on the canvas. When you hover over the top or bottom edge of that section, you will see the option to add a new one. Click Add Section to insert a fresh section into your page. At this point, you can decide how you want to begin. If you want full creative control, choose Blank Section to start from scratch. If you'd rather use a ready-made structure, you can select a pre-designed layout, such as a grid layout. This can save time and give you a helpful starting point, especially if you are still getting familiar with the editor. After the new section appears on your canvas, click to select it. At the top of the section, you will find a layout or blank drop-down. Open that menu and choose the layout format that best fits the content you want to add. For example, you might choose rows, columns, or collage. These options divide the section into structural areas called cells, which help you place content more cleanly and keep everything organized. Next, start adding your content by dragging elements like text, images, and buttons directly into the section cells. As you place items, think of each cell as a container that helps maintain order and alignment. If you are working with multiple text elements, arrange them in a stack. This is especially useful because it keeps spacing consistent across different screen sizes, which makes your design more polished and responsive. As you position elements, use the snapping guidelines that appear on the canvas to help line things up. You can also use the alignment tools in the inspector panel to center elements precisely where you want them. Taking a moment here to align everything properly can make a big difference in the overall look and feel of your section. Now let's adjust responsive behavior. By default, Wix Studio elements scale proportionally, which means they automatically adapt across desktop, tablet, and mobile breakpoints. This is helpful for creating a design that works well on different devices right away. If you need more control, go to the inspector panel and change the responsive behavior settings. You can choose options like fixed, hug, or wrap depending on how you want the section and its elements to behave on smaller screens. Once everything looks the way you want, click Publish to make your changes live. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.